so windy, dude. That's how it's gotta be though, dude.
I'm gonna get blown up.
Like that? Yeah. Actually, that works out 'cause I like the back piece. I like the back piece the same, so I can like hook them like this. I like to hook it like once in the back and like push it up and then flip it and hook it again.
This is what I just had the most luck on.
Let's just hope the burbot are here.
For real, dude.
Oh, dude, I'm definitely gonna put it on this left one. That shook really hard. 100%, dude. Yep. Yeah. What is it? Oh, burbot.
It's a burb.
I don't think it's a big one though.
No, it's not that big.
Oh, it's like a little one, dude. Look at him.
He's tiny, bro.
He's tiny, dude.
Little burbot.
That's the smallest burbot ever, dude. Nice. Hell yeah.
Nice, dude.
Nice, dude. Dude, look how tiny he is. That's so funny, dude.
So tiny, bro.
First burbot in the night for me. Little one. He's maybe what, like, maybe if he'd stretch out, I'd see. I bet he's like 20 inches or something. Cool one. We're gonna keep him because he's bleeding. Pretty typical for these guys, but it'll be a good meal. Let's see if we can get some more.
Can we do the 14-inch pepperoni?
Get some breadsticks, dude.
Can we get some breadsticks?
It's gonna be so good.
Dude, it's gonna be so fucking good. Gotta lock in, bro. Oh, dude, look at that rod. See that?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, dude, I knew I was getting it. That looks like a fucking catfish bite or something. It feels like a burbot, though.
What?
I said it feels like a burbot.
Yeah.
Yeah, like since it was running like that, I thought it might be a catfish. I thought it might be a catfish, but
Could be a catfish.
could be. Let's hope it's a burbot. Oh, it's another little one, dude.
Yeah. It's a burbot, bro.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice, dude. Dude, he's got a uniform.
Look at, dude.
I think he is actually.
Yes. I can release this fish.
Pull the leeches off him first.
I will. Do you want to grab me the pliers? Second burbot of the night. Real pretty fish. Got a funny little thing going on his face. Little yellow cheek. Sweet patterns on this one. That's sick. I'm gonna go ahead and get his leeches off for him. I'm gonna give him a second to breathe in the net. Second burbot of the night for me. This is pretty one. Got the leeches off. Big on his face. A little bit bigger than the last one, probably like 24 inches or so. But we're gonna see if we can get some more. We're gonna get this one back. This guy was 23 inches as well. We're gonna get him back. Thanks for not swallowing it, buddy. See you later. Oh, dude, you can see him.
That's the one I missed one.
That's sick. I'm gonna go take your fish, dude.
Atlantic! Atlantic, Logan! Dude, did you not hear me the first time? It's an Atlantic.
Huh?
It's an Atlantic. Oh, dude, he's right next to a fucking giant log, dude.
Should have brought my fucking net down, dude.
It was so cool, dude. I fucking sight casted it. I saw it swimming and I casted to it and it followed it all the way in and ate it. I can't believe you didn't hear me, dude. I yelled so
I heard
loud.
you, but I didn't hear like what you said, and I was like, well, if you like to fish, I would be like hearing like splashing and drag and like. Yeah, I think I gotta grab your lines now.
Don't touch the line. Oh, he's fucking waking up again. These things are so strong, dude.
Don't roll in my fucking legs, dude. No, what do you want to?
He's in.
Dude, he literally went in between my legs. What the fuck?
Their tails are pretty bony. If you can grab it, you probably got him. Nice, dude.
Oh.
Dude. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Dude,
at
hell,
that fish,
that is
dude.
a fucking nice
That's
fish.
beauty, dude.
Look at that thing, dude.
Grab a fucking LITP.
Good shit, dude.
Even if you're not like.
Okay, I'll get just a little fucking pick
That's
here.
sick, dude.
That was so cool, dude.
That was the most
Chasing him.
nerve-wracking.
I know, dude. He went through your legs,
He went
bro.
in between my fucking legs, dude.
It's a gorgeous fish, dude.
That's probably the coolest looking male that I've seen.
Yeah, that's probably one of
I've
the
got like a
cooler
more
ones.
silver looking one, but this
Mhm.
one is like cooler.
In terms of colored up, yeah.
That thing looks so sick.
That was awesome.
Sweet. Yeah, it looks like it. That's a pretty looking fish, dude.
Did they go fucking
It could be a female Atlantic. It looked kind of fucking purple. Yeah, it did. That does look like that. Alright, dude, come down to me. Okay, dude, stop fucking doing it. Dude, I was not swiping that shit with the. Oh, okay. No. Where's it? Holy shit, dude. I'm sorry, Charles. It's trapped.
Dude, look at that thing.
Dude.
Oh, it came out.
Oh,
Nice, dude.
that's the smallest little female Atlantic
That's so
ever, dude.
cool, dude.
Dude, that was so funny. It got caught on that stick, and that's the only reason I fucking get it, dude. It got stuck between the stick and the
it was
ground,
like flopping around on shore.
Dude.
Like,
So cool. Nice.
hell yeah.
The scrappiest fucking fish ever, dude.
Hell yeah. Damn, dude, I wish I was recording for it.
Look how rainbow that thing is.
Dude, I know, dude. They're so pretty, dude. The females, dude. Look at that thing.
Dude, when I saw how purple it was, I was like, dude, that's got to be a little.
Well, I was, dude,
I feel like maybe they're like biting right now or
dude,
something.
the bike's turning on, dude.
Yeah, I don't have anything with a bright head like that. I can take it. Okay. Thank you, Sandwich. This fucking cut your lure off, dude. Atlantic, dude.
Well, because I was looking at them for a while and I thought they were Atlantic.
Dude, that net job was so funny, dude.
That was hilarious, dude.
Like most salmon, it's like, yeah, it's like prominent, but with Atlantics, it's like ridiculous. Let's kill it.
Dude, this thing, look at the top of it, dude. It's like so shiny.
Yeah.
And the bottom of it's kind of colored.
Oh,
Yes, dude. Dude. I want to keep this thing for a second. That jig is the fucking lure, dude.
holy shit. I could not believe I just felt drag, dude.
Take your time with it, dude.
It's right here. Dude, is it an Atlantic salmon?
That's totally not Atlantic.
Oh. Oh,
Yep, it is.
that was so sick.
Easy on him. How tight's your drag?
It was pretty tight. I just listened to it.
Let him run, dude. Let him go.
Stop it, dude.
Well, I
You're
thought we'd
making
have
it
a
so
fucking
scary.
much better net, dude. And we were shooting
Oh.
two.
We have
After
two.
we caught like one, dude, and then we caught another one, and we still kept this one.
It honestly might be easier for you to grab its tail, Sam.
Yeah.
You might just want to grab its tail. Unless you can net it right now. Oh, so close, dude. German brown. I cannot imagine a brown trout this size, dude. Here, I'll swing it over here and then you can grab its tail. He's kind of tired. Or not, yeah.
Look at my boot, dude. I'm really.
Oh, shit. I forgot you weren't wearing waders. I wouldn't have brought them
I'd
with you.
waited on. Large, but
It might be better for me to net it, Sam, if I could just go up and fucking scoop them in the deep.
oh, dude, I would reel that tight, dude. Yeah.
Oh, shit! That's my first river fucking Atlantic, dude.
I'm about to go up and eat mine.
Oh, shit. I forgot about your fish. Oh, my God. Dude, that's so sick.
I think we found the fucking lure of the day.
Yeah, you can take it back. I'm fucking good.
Oh, you're good.
Dude, I caught a fish. I don't give a fuck. First river Atlantic. Beautiful 24-inch male on the jig. Shout out to Sam for letting me take his lure. But yeah, beautiful fish. We're gonna get him back. That's so cool, dude. Yeah. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. That was awesome.
I can like post that. Just caught this beautiful female Atlantic. Unfortunately, it was not kicking off, so we decided that we're going to keep it and we're going to cook it right now just over the fire over there. So hopefully it ends up being pretty good. Fresh from the river, bro.
Yeah, that's sweet.
What seasoning is this?
Cajun. Cajun's what I do for like all salmon and trout.
I usually do lemon pepper. I think what you're doing fine. I think this will taste great. I don't doubt you. Did you bring utensils of any kind?
I have forks.
Okay, that's perfect.
I guess I'll just put a whole fucking slice on each piece. Because anything you don't eat, I'll fucking eat.
Okay. That's fine.
I'm just wondering if we have like enough like butter and shit. It'll be fine.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Freshly caught Atlantic salmon. Dude, I need it.
Yeah.
Look at that, bro.
Yeah, that's
Perfectly seasoned.
Oh yeah. Delicious. Fuck yeah, dude. And the lemon too. I'm gonna squeeze this out of it. There's actually nothing left. Mmm. Yum. That's so good. How do you think this color choice is for this river?
You might want to switch some a little bit.
Yeah, I kind of was thinking of using a little bit smaller one, and it was all gold.
Mm-hmm. Big fish, big fish.
No, I wasn't looking.
I had like a 17-incher.
Oh, really? Damn, dude. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh, dude.
Is that steelhead?
Oh, no, dude. Here, I can net it.
I think it's a steelhead, dude.
Oh,
Yep.
It
Fucking
is, dude. Or a
steelhead,
rainbow.
That's a steelhead, dude.
Oh my god. Dude, that is so sick. Yo, good
Dude,
job.
you fucking hit the cast before and then got yours. It's
Dude, I'm sorry, dude. I think I
no,
stole a
you're
fish.
good, dude.
Bury them after I get the hook out. Yeah, you weren't going anywhere, buddy. It's so cool. Let's release this beautiful 16.5-inch steelhead. Gorgeous fish. Thanks for biting, that was so cool.
Got one. He's fucking snagged, I think.
Oh, dude, stop doing it. Oh, nice, dude. Dude, stop. No, it's hooked in the mouth, look. Yeah, right in the corner. Sweet, dude. Nice fish.
Thanks.
Beautiful brown by Sam Wash.
Hell yeah, bro.
Nice, dude. Nice.